you all guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a very quick DIY face mask. So I just want to give a brief idea about why I am showing this face mask, because right now I'm living in a very colder country. So my skin tends to dry a lot. I get a lot of dryness around my the corner of my nose and the corner of my lips, everywhere basically on my face, and I wanted to address this extremely dry skin problem. So I whatever the face mask I use here are all kind of addressing to the same problem. So all my face masks are mainly for moisturizing. I use a very good night cream, but it's not too much moisturizing. So whatever the face mask I use generally nowadays are all addressing to the dry skin problem of mine, and that's why I came up with this mask. So this mask has like coconut oil, honey, and lavender essential oil. All of coconut oil and honey are very good moisturizer for your skin, and I knew it all the time. So this is my current favorite face mask. Without wasting any more time, let's just quickly see the DIY.
So I'm taking a coconut oil here. This is an organic coconut oil which is available. You can take any organic coconut oil which is available. So I'm taking around 2 teaspoons of that coconut oil into a small jar. Because it has solidified, I'm taking it in a glass jar so that I can heat it up in the microwave. Now after that, my coconut oil is here. So I'm going to straight away melt this coconut oil and bring it to the room temperature. So keep it in the microwave. Adjust the knob to the medium or low, or then keep it for about half a minute. And so here it's melted. Now I'm going to add my other ingredients. Oh, by the way, we were making koso, so me and my husband, so that's still there in the baking sheet. Now I'm going to add some lavender essential oil. You can take any lavender essential oil which is of a good brand, which is available. And then I'm taking honey. So let's add the lavender essential oil. I'm going to add just 1 or 2 drops because it's really concentrated one. So adding that, then I'm taking some organic honey. It's better you take organic honey. So I'm just adding equal amount of how much I added coconut oil and then mixing it up. That's it. My mixture exactly look like this. It's not so creamy, not so watery. It's that kind of a mixture, but when you apply it on your face, it should not flow down on your skin. It should be that consistency.
Little creamy. You can also store this mask, like this is a bit too much for my skin right now, so I'm going to store it for another 2 days in refrigerator, so it will all be fresh, and I can, after I can completely keep this in the microwave and heat this up. If it solidifies, obviously it will solidify in a colder area, so this is how I use it. So I'm just using it equally on my skin. So this is tend to moisturize the skin, so I'm just making sure that it nicely soaks up into my skin by just making it or massaging it onto my skin in a upward circular motion. This is also a good massaging technique. If you're doing facial at home, you can always do this for the massaging step of the facial. Not leaving my lips, I'm just applying at the corner of my lips as well, concentrating on the places where a lot of dryness is there.
Oh my god, this really hurts, especially when you have dryness around your nose and you are like smiling, laughing loud and all. It really tears apart.
So I don't find this mask very greasy or oily or anything. I think I'm gonna keep this mask, like I'll be very comfortable keeping this mask on my face. So I'm gonna leave it for good 10 to 15 minutes and then just wash it off in lukewarm water, and that's it. I'm still left with this much of mask which I can use it like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I'm gonna store it in the fridge.
So my kosos were ready by then, so I was just munching them. And whenever I have some face mask, I put on this hairband and I just roam around the house like a princess. That's what makes me happy. And then I was also playing a video game. This is a new game which I started on my PS4, which is called Until Dawn. It's freaking crazy and freaking scary. Oh my god, let me just play it. I'm just gonna resume the game. Oh my god.
After 10 minutes, I have washed my face. Yeah. I feel really moisturized and really good. So, what do you guys think? If you guys tried this mask, please let me know and like this video if it works for you. And that's it. I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye bye.